Good evening, guys. So pardon my messy kitchen. I just got done cooking. This is just cabbage stew with carrots and corned beef. Nothing extra special today. However, I want to introduce you to my new cooking secret. I've been using these spices, original Mama Betty, for the past 3 weeks. I got some when I was in the UK for the past 2 weeks. I cooked for the most part of my stay. I went out to eat with friends occasionally. However, I'm a very picky eater. But this is my 3rd week using her spices. I've used the one for grilling turkey, chicken. I've used the jollof spice blend. I've used the Killiwilly spice blend, mixed spices, the one for chicken. She has a lot of variety. And I'm telling you, these spices saved my life in the UK, honey. So if we Ghana, unim say, unya original Ghanaian spice now the year dibana. Didi. I mean, you know what I'm saying? So guys, you guys need to try the spices. I'm gonna tag here.